try and understand how to read into the signals coming in from currency and commodity markets. Peter McGuire is with us, Chief Market Strategist at FX Global Capital, joining us on the phone line from Sydney. Peter, thank you so much for joining us. Let's first try and understand the currency markets, particularly dollar, which is currently at a 4-week high, largely reacting to the data points coming from the US. So do you think perhaps there is more legs to go as far as the dollar rally is concerned?
Well, good morning and thanks for inviting me on the show. Look, I think a couple of things have got to be taken into consideration. We've seen quite a strong sell-off in the yen over the last part of 3 or 4 weeks, down nearly 6%. And what I noticed this morning, I saw that there was a golden cross forming in the sense where the 100-day moving average is above the 200-day moving average, which in turn could see further upside for the US dollar against the yen by 3 or 4%. And also noted was that the US dollar index is now above 80. So it looks as though the US dollar is going to continue to strengthen, and that's what we've seen as a sell-off in gold.
What about yen? You expect the yen to weaken compared to the dollar?
Yes, I do. I think that'll continue to weaken. Probably you may see yen US running at around about 85. So I think you're going to see further, as I mentioned, further strengthening, and I wouldn't be surprised to also see continued strengthening US versus euro, now sitting at about 130. I think you're probably going to see 127, 126 within the next, maybe even by Easter. I think it's just going to be a continually upswing, and I think you'll probably see stronger US equities as well.
For currency traders, what kind of a trade are you recommending right now? Go long on the dollar, short on the yen?
Yeah, long US dollar, short yen, short euro. I think that's where you're looking. Pretty much that's the trade at the moment. That's been the trade for the last couple of weeks, and I think that'll continue up until our Easter.
Peter, thank you so much for joining us this morning on Profit for a quick chat on how to read into the currency signals. Clearly, long dollar, short yen, short euro is the kind of strategy that he's recommending for clients.